Let's shift our focus to Balochistan, a province in Pakistan grappling with a serious crisis due to the persistent issue of enforced disappearances. Under the cover of darkness, students and activists and ordinary citizens are forcibly taken by state authorities, leaving their families in a state of profound uncertainty. These disappearances go beyond mere intimidation. They are calculated actions aimed at silencing opposition and tightening control.
पाकिस्तान की खुफिया एजेंसियों ने लापता कर दिया था उनका अब
In the harsh remote landscapes of Balochistan, a chilling reality casts a long shadow over the region's political turmoil and growing unrest, the pervasive issue of enforced disappearances. Under the cover of night, individuals, students, activists and ordinary citizens are forcibly taken from their homes or workplaces, disappearing without a trace. These abductions are not the work of ordinary criminals, but are orchestrated by forces cloaked in state authority, security agencies, intelligence operatives, and paramilitary groups. Left behind are families plunged into agonizing uncertainty with their desperate requests for information often met with silence or outright denial. The victims are held in undisclosed locations, deprived of legal rights and any communication with their loved ones. The region has seen growing protests and demonstrations as families of the disappeared and human rights activists unite to demand the release of the missing and to draw attention to the ongoing human rights violations in Balochistan.
बलोच चाहे जिस भी नस्ल से ताल्लुक रखता हो, उसकी जुबान कोई भी हो, उसकी मजहब कोई भी हो, उसको एक गुलाम की हैसियत की तरह रखा गया है और उस गुलामी की हैसियत के तले बलोचिस्तान के वसाइल की लूटमार के लिए बलोच नस्ल कुशी की गई है। बलोच नस्ल कुशी की बहुत सी शक्लें हैं और वो शक्लें शायद हर इलाके में हर जगह आपको मुख्तलिफ नजर आएंगी, मगर वो तमाम एक ही पॉलिसी के उस पर हो रही है और वो पॉलिसी ये है कि बलोच को गुलाम रखा जाए।
Numerous activists, journalists and ordinary citizens have gone missing in Balochistan, often alleged to be abducted by security forces or other state actors. The government's failure to conduct thorough investigations or account for the missing has drawn widespread criticism. Reports of extrajudicial killings by security forces have further intensified distrust between the Baloch population and the state.
देखिए हमारे और आपके दरमियान उन नौजवानों को जिनकी जगह होनी चाहिए थी स्कूल, जिनको कॉलेज में होना चाहिए था, यूनिवर्सिटीज में होना चाहिए था, मगर वो मंशियात के शिकार है, मगर उनके हाथों में हथियार दिए गए हैं ताकि वो सरकार के डेथ स्क्वाड्स में जो है ना काम कर सके। ये पूरे बलोचिस्तान की कहानी है।
In Balochistan, the cycle of enforced disappearances and human rights abuses has exacerbated violent conflicts between separatist groups and security forces. Ignoring these pressing issues could have serious political and social repercussions for Pakistan.